Add eggs to carrots and you'll never look at carrot cake the same way again. Have you ever imagined that a few simple carrots and a couple of eggs could turn into one of the softest, most delicious homemade cakes you've ever tasted? The carrots are what give this cake its beautiful natural color, moisture, and subtle sweetness. Now pour in 1 cup of milk. This helps create a soft and tender texture. Next, add 1 cup of vegetable oil. The oil keeps the cake moist for days, making every slice soft and fluffy. Now add half a cup of sugar. If you prefer your desserts a little sweeter, you can slightly adjust the amount, but this recipe creates a perfectly balanced flavor. Cover the blender and blend everything until the mixture becomes completely smooth and creamy. Don't rush this step. A well-blended mixture makes all the difference in the final texture of the cake. While that's blending, let me tell you something. I recently made this recipe for some friends during a weekend gathering. They couldn't believe carrots were the main ingredient. Everyone asked for the recipe before they left, and that's exactly why I wanted to share it with you today. Once everything is smooth, pour the mixture into a large mixing bowl. Now gradually add 1 cups of wheat flour. If you sift the flour first, you'll end up with an even lighter and fluffier cake. Mix gently until all the flour disappears and you have a smooth batter with no lumps. And while you're mixing, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Leave your city in the comments because I enjoy reading them. And you might even receive a shout out in one of my upcoming videos. Today's special shout out goes to Matthew Johnson from Orlando, Florida. Thank you so much for your support and for being part of our amazing cooking community. Now that the batter is nice and smooth, it's time for the final ingredient. Add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and gently fold it into the batter. Don't overmix at this point. Just stir enough to distribute it evenly so your cake rises beautifully in the oven. You know, carrot cake has always been one of my favorite desserts. Growing up, it was one of those recipes that filled the entire house with an incredible aroma. Today, I make it for my family, and it's always the first dessert to disappear from the table. There's something comforting about a homemade cake that brings everyone together. Grease a baking pan with a little oil or butter and lightly dust it with flour. Pour the batter into the pan and spread it evenly. Bake in a preheated oven at 356° F, 180° for about 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While the cake is baking, let's prepare the rich chocolate topping that makes this recipe truly unforgettable. Place a saucepan over medium-low heat. Add 2 cups of condensed milk. Next, pour in 1 cup of heavy cream. Stir slowly until everything is fully combined. Now add 1 tablespoon of butter. This gives the topping a silky texture and an incredible shine. Finally, add 150 grams of chocolate. You can use semi-sweet or milk chocolate depending on your preference. Keep stirring continuously as the chocolate melts. You'll notice the mixture becoming smooth, glossy, and wonderfully creamy. This step is worth the patience, because the topping is what transforms a simple carrot cake into a bakery-style dessert. Once the cake has finished baking, let it cool for a few minutes before carefully turning it out onto a serving plate. Now comes the best part. Slowly pour the warm chocolate topping over the cake, allowing it to flow naturally over the edges. Watching that rich chocolate coat every inch of the cake is almost as satisfying as eating it. Just look at that beautiful finish. Soft cake, creamy chocolate, and the perfect homemade presentation. Let the topping settle for a few minutes before slicing. When you cut into it, you'll see an incredibly moist, fluffy interior with a rich chocolate layer on top. Every bite is soft, creamy, and packed with flavor. The carrots keep the cake wonderfully tender, while the chocolate topping creates the perfect balance of sweetness. This is the kind of dessert that's perfect for birthdays, family dinners, afternoon coffee, or simply whenever you're craving something homemade and comforting. If you decide to make this recipe, take a photo and share it in the comments. I'd love to see how your cake turned out. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves homemade desserts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next delicious recipe.